going to take this 12 by 12 sheet and my scoring board. So first of all, I'm going to place it here as you can see in the video, and I'm going to score at 4 by half inches. The second score line for the inner side I'm going to score at 6 inches, and opposite side of this triangle I'm going to do the same. So that's how we are going to make it, and rest of the sides we are going to score according to the lines we already did. You can see in the video how I'm going to do it. Just like that, I'm going to place here and I'm going to score it. So I'm done with all the lines now. As you can see, this is the last one, I guess. Yeah, this is the last one. So I'm done with the lines already, and after that I'm going to fold it. Now it's time to cut these triangles. These two triangles I'm going to cut from here and from each side. Okay, so that's what you have to do it. And now this will look like this. So I have already cut the square as well from one side. I'm not going to cut it, so I'm going to paste it over here. You can use the craft glue, which I already got it from the same brand, or you can use even the dots here. This is honeycomb dots roller tape, so I'm using that too, and I'm going to paste it just like that. Okay, all the sides I'm going to paste it just like that. I'm applying it as you can see, and after pasting them it will look like this. It's already done and made. So I'm going to just cut the sides like this, just a pinch of that, and it's done, guys. So this is how you can make it. So this is the another thing I made, so I just put inside it. You can give small gifts to anyone, the cards, the small gifts like earrings or something, or even the small journals, just like I put inside this one. So you can gifts like that, and a bunch of cards as well, even scrapbook as well. This is the another one you can give to ladies, and that is you can give to gents. So that's how.